To change the language for your keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to locate the general management, which should be almost all the way down right here, and then we can navigate to our Samsung keyboard, and here first option is languages and types. We're gonna click on the language that we have currently set on our device, manage input languages right here, and then you can download additional language packages that you want to use. In this case, let's just go for anything random right here, and then when the download is finished, we should see the language right here. Make sure that it's enabled. Then we can go back and try to type in anything so that our keyboard pops up. And now just either press this globe icon to switch between a language input, or hold your space and or actually no, it's a Samsung device and Samsung keyboard, so the space doesn't work, only the globe icon right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.